Hi guys, so we've got us winter project in. We're going to be converting this van inside and out. It's having a full wrap on it. Inside we're going to be doing start to finish everything. So it's going to be having 12 volt electric lighting, 240 volt hookups. So when they're on site they can get hooked up with electric and have full power in it. It's going to be having an oven in back, full kitchen throughout it. Full kitchen throughout it. It's just Scott being a dick. Full kitchen throughout it, flooring, everything, start to finish. So let's get it on.
Let's Marvin Gaye.
So we've started getting walls ready. We've put some stud paneling in because these walls are just fiberglass and they're not strong enough to support what needs to be going on them. The roof is going to get full cladded out as well, lighting, everything in it. The light switches we'll be putting in. It's even going to have sound systems, the lot. Oh, we have got hatches to put in. We'll be doing that as well. We've got to cut that panel out, put a hatch in and frame all this side out again because again it's just not strong enough to support anything. What else are we doing in it? What else are we doing in it? That's it, innit?
Kitchen.
Kitchen's going in.
Side hatch. Side hatch.
Side hatch.
Gas box.
Oh yeah, putting a gas box in this corner down here.
Sound system.
Stunt sound system.
Bondage places.
Bondage places.
Bondage strap-on places.
Bondage strap-on places.
I don't know. It's having all sorts of shite in it.
Yeah, lights. Yeah. I'm sure if we think of something else along the lines, we'll update you on that. So we've progressed a little bit. Electrics are all in. 240's first fixed. Stud work's done. I'm just about to fill all inside up panels in so it can support a bit of weight if anybody wants to hang anything to it. We've got the 12 volt system, so that's going to be all cob lights that's running down either side. Obviously wiring for 240 sockets for 240 switch for lighting up above to the ceiling. Yeah, so we're progressing along nicely. We are still waiting for the hatch to turn up, and we've got a gas bottle like cupboard to put down there and cut a hole inside at van for. So yeah, that's about where we're at the moment. We'll do a bit of a time lapse and we're filling these panels in and go from there. So I've had some goodies turn up for catering van that we're doing. One monstrous of an oven. It's hatches, that's turned up. So that's going to be going right bang in middle of there. We've also got us gas bottle hatch that's turned up. We have started fitting it, forgot to record. Oops. But yeah, gas bottle hatch is in. What else that we got that turned up? We had loads of lighting and things turn up. Oh, one humongous extraction fan right there. We've got to get that fitted inside. Yeah, so we're just going to film ourselves cutting hatch out now, and get that fitted in. We also got Shop Dog here today. Say hello, Shop Dog. Hello. Hello. It's good girl. So let's get at it. We've also purchased a new toy. Sexy little rivet gun. Last conversion we did, we had one that fitted onto Endeavour's drill, and it was just horrendous, so we thought we'd upgrade for this one and get proper tattle. But what I will say is, it works a dream. No messing about. Hatch in.